So what's up, y'all? Today I'm fixing this Honda Civic. The issue is, I don't know if you can see that wet spot right there, but it is leaking gas from there. So I have to fix that line. I'm going to show you how it's leaking. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but I'm going to start it so you can see how it's leaking. So I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's leaking from right here. Let me see if I get the focus. See it coming out? So that's my problem right there. So gotta fix this line, and then once this line is fixed, no more leak, car as good as gold. So just for reference, getting to the fuel pump in this car is kind of a pain because they put it here instead of usually here. So you have to take all this seating out, which means that these bolts have to come out, the seats up top all have to come out, and there's a metal bracket that goes over this also has to come out. So once you get through all that, it's pretty straightforward, cut and dry. This line is attached here. Let me see if I can turn on my light so you can see it. It's attached here and it runs all the way down to under here where there should be an attachment. If I can get you to focus. Where are we? Can I get you guys down in there? Yeah, there we go. See? So that's how that works. So let's try to get this line out. So I forgot to actually record me doing the patch, but everything is back together. I'm actually test driving the car now. Everything's running fine. As you can see, I'm on the move. So it's all fixed. The back is all back together. The seatbelt's on because that's the easiest way to get the seatbelts to come back up. So everything worked out. I should have done a little bit more recording, but I make mistakes. But this car is fixed, ready to go. I'm actually gonna run it through inspection for the person, and that's it. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.